Go on your mama computer, nigga. Yeah, nigga. Go on your mama computer, nigga, and like that bitch. Nigga. Subscribe on your mama page, nigga. Subscribe on your granny page, nigga. Subscribe on your cousin page, nigga. Subscribe on your uncle page, nigga. Get the boom and subscribe all the subscribers up. Get the boom and subscribe all the subscribers up. Get the boom and subscribe all the subscribers up. Subscribe, nigga. Subscribe.
Hey, y'all already know what's going on. My boy hit you with the young, so y'all know the video was started. I ain't know if it was started or not, but look.
Oh, yeah, sir.
My nigga TJ, man, he tired of his truck being parked in the back. Y'all already know we finna fix that. Y'all don't know it's been down, so we got 2 little mods we finna do to the truck. I already fixed the rear end plate. Some funky shit happened to the rear end to where a bolt shot through it, but the rear end's still working, so we just gonna patch up the hole and keep it going. So right now we headed to O'Reilly, finna grab some gaskets. And either gasket maker or the gasket. See, it had gasket maker on there and it wasn't leaking, so we're gonna probably go back with that if the gasket ain't just too crazy. You know what I mean? How many bolt holes you got in it? Know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, it's up in this stuff, man. Me and your boy TJ finna get back on the road with this truck, and we finna put these headlights on this truck, man. TJ got some hell of a headlights for the truck. Gonna change the whole look up.
Hello.
The truck dirty than the motherfucker, so
Motherfucker.
well, let me watch my mouth.
Excuse my French.
Yeah, the truck dirty, so
though.
we finna wash the truck up, man, pull the truck back out, man. Know what I'm saying? We've been having people thinking the truck is stolen. Man, y'all better go on YouTube and see us cashing out on that truck. We spun racks, nigga, on that truck, man. Lifted the truck,
That's
man.
really crazy though, bro, because that's exactly what everybody been saying, like.
Real talk, people been tripping, bro. So yeah, like I said, we finna pull up on our riders, man, and y'all boys stay tuned, man. It's up.
Y'all 3 times.
The button. Got that gear on, my boy. He trying to get that clear coat. He trying to paint them rims. Now he doing them portraits. Y'all get at my boy if y'all want them live portraits, man.
They do pretty good though.
Boy, pull up in the G18 and say, get the key, nigga. Hey, T, come check out this LS swap. I never locked it. So y'all never seen this on the channel yet. But my boy up here at O'Reilly, you know what I'm saying, always looking out for me. Get me right. Shit, boy, the LS swap this Blazer. Y'all know these don't come with no damn LS motor. Gang, so here go the pan right here. See what he had the problem at. Can you tell where the problem was at before I said? Yep, right here. So long story short, for all you differential guys who know about differentials, rear ends and everything,
this piece here was sticking and basically like that. See how it's sticking out the boat? But it was sticking out right here. So what I did was I got a self-tapping screw, damn near the same size, a nice big one, and I screwed that booger in, you know what I'm saying, from the outside. I screwed it in from the outside and then I grinded it off. You know what I'm saying? Once I grinded it off, came back on the inside of here and grinded it off too, so you can still see the boat right there shining out. And right there. So I JB welded all around that just to give it secure. And I JB welded all that around that. You know what I'm saying? So now Brody can put his rear end cover back on. You feel me? So the whole rear end cover back off, and it didn't have no rubber gasket. It had this aftermarket gasket. So we're gonna go and put the Permatex back on it just to seal it up. And you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get TJ back on the road because this truck been sitting up. You don't believe me? Look at all them leaves on the back. Look at the top of the truck. Brody been sitting up, bro. Truck needs to be washed, bro. Gotta get back on the road. You know what I'm saying? And we got some new headlights for the front end. These headlights is really good. So if y'all boys got a cat eye and y'all like clear headlights, got something for you right here, my boy. Brody needs to do an engine bay clean too, but we gonna get this truck back right. Pop this grill off and get another one. You know what I'm saying? Get this truck right, my boy. Let me go ahead and start this because you gotta apply the gasket maker on first and let it sit for a little minute if you read that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we gonna put this on and we'll wait tomorrow. We'll be able to put the fluid in because these rear ends take two quarts of this type of oil, say 80, 90 weight, gear oil. You know what I'm saying? These bookers like 10 bucks each. O'Reilly's, another 10 bucks. So it's $30 fix real quick just to get back on the road. Cause this happened when he was down the way. Let me say that too. He was way on the south side. They pulled up on the job and he seen a big black puddle of oil in the driveway. So Cowgirl be stealing the ball, y'all. Simple as that. Got a nice little bead around it. Close it off up in there a little bit. You know what I'm saying? But all that's gonna touch and close up and put a good nice seal on it. What I'm gonna do is stab it up there and I'm gonna finger tighten it for now. And then we're gonna tighten it up once it dry all up. Yes, sir.
You get up under here, get your finger tight, and do it when you see that putty squeeze through them holes. And then you know you got a for sure seal. See how that putty coming through? Yes, sir. We're gonna put a good even seal on there. Bro ain't gonna handle leaks. Y'all know the fill hole is on the side, towards the top, in the front of the unit. And you basically fill it up until it starts leaking. Like I said, these units take just about 3, you're okay. We're supposed to bolt this back up. Take this out the top. Don't forget that, that's important. I want this shit hanging anyway. So that's good for now. We gotta let that harden up. You know what I'm saying? Buckle it down.
Alright, gang, it's been about 30, 40 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and buckle on in. Y'all see how she do it.
You know what? I just trying to drill down.
Now we just gotta pull the plug out and put the gear all in there. But I don't know, we might get started on these headlights first. Let me check out these pigtails and other things, man. Your boys out here still hot, the sun down, and they is not lying about how hot it is in Texas, man. It was 113 degrees today with the humidity.
Clouds look nice.
Yes, sir. We're gonna see how my boy TJ got his lights rigged up. You know what I'm saying? Pop this one off. Oh,
Out with the old, in with the new.
We did these lights.
Nah, we nigga rigged. I'm nigga rigged them after I seen
So that nigga just got your new cowgirl over there on the ball.
Thought she was committing a murder.
Alright. My nigga T got creative with this over.
With the Gorilla Tape, man. I'm talking about. I had to get down the road, man.
outside, cause we outside. Boy.
Finish it out. Hey, no, I need to go ahead and get that grill replaced now, bro. We can't go out like that. She looking a little too plush with another.
Yeah, we gotta get that grill for sure. And you in there like swimwear. We changed the look on this truck real quick, my boy.
Real quick and real swift, yeah. Check it out, check it out. Man, now I gotta really do some work, man. It's time to go ahead and crunch time. Oh, the bottom light's on, bro. Yeah, first. That's a bet. The only thing is, though, the light that I want to be on ain't on. The damn. I thought these was gonna
That's
come.
the ones with the little white lights.
Oh, I gotta go get that.
That's why I said we gotta wire them up
Oh,
to
okay.
the main harness. Let me show you real quick.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's really when I want to pull up. Oh, they got even brighter, my boy. Now you in the chain.
That light on that bitch. Let that ice shine on that bitch. That light on that bitch. Let that ice shine on that bitch. That's that blinding, man.
Yeah, man. It's up 3 times, man. I'll tune in. Alright.
Boy, it's hot out here, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Nigga been doing this work for a long time. This shit done got easy. I wasn't gonna even hook up the little L's, but that was the whole point of doing it. Check out them L's, man.
Hey, man. I ain't gonna lie. Something as simple as some lights that took that truck from me. Yeah, it was nice, but now that bitch coming through.
Perfect.
Yeah, man.
What's going on with the high beam? Everything or not all of them?
Nah, everything lit. Turn on the high beams right now. That's the high.
Yeah, I think so.
I think it was more lit than that just a second ago. I don't know if I'm tripping or not though.
So it's the inside, so the high beam is the outside light?
Yeah. Alright, that look red. That's probably what I'm gonna be rolling to stop a nigga from.
Oh, that's without all the extra shit.
Yeah. That'll stop niggas from tripping.
Better than nothing, we hustle to go with the money. That's the double, nigga. The truck,
I like how I look with the lights cut off.
challenge in trouble, nigga. You know that we burning the rubber and the red thing. Even in the V6. Nigga ain't gonna see shit, cause it's smoked out. We on that B shit. We on that gang shit. You know I hang with you.
Cause straight out the pipes, I'm talking about the red flame. And we trying to get it, man. Spooled up with the twin turbos.
Hey, look, man, y'all already know what it is, man. I'm gonna keep dropping y'all these hands-on videos just cause we hands-on, man. Bands on deck. A lot of people gonna tell me they ain't really know about the twin turbo GTO, but this the original car. Y'all boys need to go back. Y'all new to the channel, man. Y'all shit, you go watch some videos, catch up, man. Y'all catch up. Y'all know we got the green thing, like pickles. You know what I'm saying? Jalapenos over here. But shit, it ain't nothing new. You know what I'm saying? Y'all tune in and don't get tuned out. It's your boy, 93V, hands on, turbo killer, GTO killer, GTOs everywhere, motors bust down everywhere, exhaust setters everywhere, parts everywhere, swangers everywhere, candy paint everywhere, wood grain everywhere, gold everywhere, red everywhere. It's up in the stuff, man.
We gotta stop.